Hi there, I'm Marius, and after we dealt with tabs in Power Pages forms in the last video, we are now touching on sections. Just like in the last video, I've set up the tab 2 with a name with a lowercase t, and inside this tab we have a section 2, and again the name is with a lowercase compared to the label. And then section 3, same situation, uppercase S in the label and a lowercase s in the name. Over in the form, this looks like this. Next, we are going to inspect the sections with the developer tools. So I'll select the title here, and well, we clearly see it's inside the tab, and we see that the section title is apart from the actual fields of the section, but the field of the section has this data name section2, which is relatively similar to what we saw at the tab, where also the data name had the name of the tab. But this time we have the field set enclosing both the legend and the table of fields. And this is nice because we can select this table right here, then navigate up to the field set. And for example, if we want to hide the section, we can just hide the field set here. You shouldn't select by area label here because this is a translation label, so it could be different if you have a multi-language Power Page. Now let's take a look at how this is implemented in the Power Pages Client API. So the main element we are selecting is the table by its data name, but we are also selecting the container, which navigates up to the closest field set. And we can also select the title, where we navigate from the container, which was the field set, down to the legend and then the h3 element, because the h3 element had the label inside. So when we're, for example, using setLabel, we can just set the inner text of this title element. getVisible and setVisible are relatively similar to what we've seen already, so we are just setting the style.display property to block or none, and in this case this works really easy because we can navigate to the container element, which was the field set. Back in Power Pages, if you have the Power Pages Client API installed, we first get a context. Next we are going to get the tab by its name, not its label. And from here, we can navigate down to the sections by the section name, again, not its label. And now we can just hide the section. You can see only section 3 is visible. Let's show it again. And we can also change the display name of the section right here. If you found this video useful and would like to learn more about the behavior of Power Pages, consider subscribing to this channel. And if you would like to learn more about the Power Pages Client API, check the links in the description below. Bye!